Hello, children, and let's see the fourth chapter of the vocabulary prefixes and suffixes. So, read these words and notice the highlighted parts. So, unjust forehead, sustainable, inconceivable, deserving, childhood, uphold, underprivileged, grateful, locality. The letter un for able, in, ing, hood, up, under, full, nit, y are affixes. Those that come at the beginning of a word are called prefixes, and those that come at the end of the word are called suffix. So a prefix is added to the beginning of the word to create a new word which has a different meaning. For example, happy is the word and we have to add un in front of this word before this word, and it will become un plus happy will become unhappy. A suffix is added to the end of the word to create a new word which has a different meaning. For example, complain plus ing is complaining. So these two are the definition of prefix and suffix, and you will write this definition with one example in your fair copies. So let's move on to the another part. On page number 175, here are some common affixes with their meanings and examples. So prefix, meaning, examples. Ab is used for away from, absent, abnormal. Add, to, towards, advance, addition. After, later, behind, after math, after word. Anti, against, opposed. Antibiotic, anti-gravity. Auto, self, that means automobile, autobiography. By, to, that means bicycle, and biceps. Com, con, co, with, together. Commune, consent, concrete. So these are the prefix, the meaning, and the example. Let's see the another part. Again you can see prefix, meaning, example. Contra, against, contradicted, contrary. D, downward, undo, deflate, defect. Dis, not, dislike, distress. So X, out of, that is situated on or relating to the outside, that is exit, expel, external. Miss, wrongly, mistake, mislead. Micro, small, microscope, microbe. Pre, before, prior to, preheat, prehistoric. Over, above, beyond. Overflow, overdue. Sub, under, beneath, submarine, subject. So I hope that you have understood prefix, meaning, an example. It has been given in your book. Please go through it. Now let's come to the suffix. Suffix, meaning, example. Ant, used for assistant. Ar, one who, liar. Aquarium, arium has been used, place for the fish. You can see aquarium is the place for keeping the fish, tortoise, and small crocodiles and many other things. Er is used for brighter and lovelier. Full, full of, that is mouth full. less without motherless, ness state of being happiness, kindness, ology study of, that means biology, ous full of wondrous, and y state of sunny. So now exercise A has been given to you. Study the following table that gives a prefix and an example using each prefix. Deduce the meaning of the prefix and write another word using the prefix. Under this you can see a blue word box has been given, and you have to use that word box in this prefix meaning word 1 and word 2. So you will do this exercise in the book by yourself. Let's move to the another one. Unscramble the word, underline. Here you can see unscramble the words and underline the prefix and suffix. One has been done for you. Full of L is helpful. Here the words has been unscrambled. You have to write the correct words here, and then you have to mark the prefix and suffix. 10 words have been given for you, and you will do this exercise in your textbooks, grammar books, on page number 177. I hope you have understood what is prefix and suffix. It is very easy for you. Do these exercises in your book itself, but you will write the definition in your fair copy. Exercise A, 1 to 5, count from the top, 1 2 3 4 5. You will do it in your fair copies. And exercise B also, 1 to 5, you will do in your fair copies. But rest of the exercise will also can come in your examination. I hope you have understood this chapter. Exercise A, 1 to 5 you will do in your fair copies. Exercise B, 1 to 5 you have to do in your fair copies. And you will write the definition of suffix and prefix in your copies with one example. I hope you have understood the chapter. If you have got any doubt or confusion, tomorrow we will have the class. You can ask. Thank you.